Hey everybody, my name's Caitlin. I'm the founder of the Legacy Brand Leader Curriculum and the brand StorySpeak Enterprises. Thank you so much for checking out our beta testing services. This is an exciting opportunity for you to try out executive level content. We have topics ranging from sales systems, marketing systems, even learning how to document procedures. We're going to be introducing a lot more beta opportunities, so this is a great thing to know, especially if you join our free Learning Center. Once you're a member there, you actually are the first to know about beta offers, because once these things go public, we actually close the beta testing once we reach the amount of users we want to reach. This is usually anywhere from 25 to 50 users, a pretty small group, so it's manageable and easy to track, and so we get feedback quickly. That being said, let me tell you a little bit more about how this works. Once you sign up to be a beta tester, you're seeing content that no one else is seeing. So you're seeing usually a presentation, maybe you're downloading a template, you're using the template, then you're getting feedback to us, or maybe you're even watching training videos. But at the end of whatever it is that you're experiencing, you're going to see a survey, and the survey is going to be very specific. So it's really important that if you're a beta tester, that you are really interested in educating yourself about business. So this is really meant for people who are already doing this. If you're already looking at courses, or if you've already invested in courses, if you're always searching on Google to learn more things about business, or if you're always checking out other people's workshops, this is a great opportunity to name your price for content that matches professionals in the business field. So I've been working in the corporate realm for over 10 years, and I started the Legacy Brand Leader Curriculum, which is a virtual education portal, after transposing all of my knowledge from my head that I learned while working with C-level executives and with small business owners. So one of my biggest struggles in creating this Legacy Brand Leader Curriculum, it has been taking the knowledge from my head and making it into something that is easy to digest, that is really easy to understand, and that is simple for everyday business owners to apply to their business wherever they're at in their journey. You give us your feedback as a beta tester. You're helping other business owners scale and serve more people. So in this way, we're helping businesses continue to make more impact in communities, continue to make more impact for the teams and in the lives of their employees, and most importantly, to make impact in the world around them. So thank you for being a part of this, and I look forward to your feedback.